We bought the Bissell Crosswave cordless Freedom. It's it doesn't have a cord, it has a battery, and it has a little charging station, and it like doesn't recycle the water, but it puts water out, or the cleaning solution, onto the little wheel, the brush, the cleaning wheel, and then it has, it sucks up the dirty stuff. So that is so cool. We're gonna look at it now. You want to take it out of the box?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, sit down. And just a second. So Peter, tell him what the soap is. Tell him right there. Say, how much soap do you got?
One.
One. You got one. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Put up the water to here, and then you put the formula, this formula right here, to that line.
You made it.
I went a little bit over, so that's okay.
But look, that's for a small area, and that's for a large area.
Right, so I'm just gonna do a small area. So I don't know if you have to use it all or what. Oh no, what'd you do?
Breaking it?
No. All right, so then we put the lid back on. There's a little screen.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Turn it upside down, and it goes in here. Okay, I didn't read the directions, so.
Oh, good. Don't read the directions.
Here's the on. What does that say? It has Wi-Fi. See, power. Whoa. Whoa. What's it doing?
Nothing.
What's it doing? What's this one? Watch out. No, don't watch it. Let's see. Whoa. Maybe I picked it up.
It just smells new.
What?
I said it smells new.
Is it working?
No.
Need water?
No, you don't. Oh, there is water there.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, keep going.
Turn the spot over here. Come over here. I'll try it. Okay, you see the spot? Right here? Move over. Watch out. See that spot?
Yeah.
Get it? Alright, let's see if it cleans.
It smells good.
Alright, let's do like a whole area. Let's do this whole little area.
You on the tripod, then it can be like speeded.
Huh?
Could speed it up.
Okay. Alright, there it is. Works pretty good. Looks good. Looks good. What do you think?
Well, turn it off, we can hear you.
Alright. Turn that off. So it didn't use that much water. So we just did this little section right here. And then it puts the old water in here.
Oh. There you go.
Well, that's pretty cool.
What happens if you leave it?
What?
The water in there.
It's okay, I think. And then when you put it on the docking station, it cleans
Ooh,
itself.
docking station.
Yeah, do you see the docking station?
No.
Come here, I put it in the pantry. Come over here.
In the pantry.
Up there.
Where? Oh, fancy.
So then all you
What
do.
is that then?
Well, that's extra. I don't know who put that there. Some little kid probably. So you just put it right on top. Let's see if it'll. You put it right there. Good.
Ta-da.
If you have kids, the Bissell Crosswave, what's it called? Yeah, the Bissell Crosswave, you gotta get one. You gotta get one. 400 bucks of pure awesomeness, and it really, really works well. You have apple juice, you have any type of mess, milk or something on the floor, you're like, oh, it's sticky, man. Just get this, turn it on, and just clean it up. Couple passes, and it's all clean. I've had it for about a week, and my review, the verdict.
Conclusion.
So I've had it for about a week, so the verdict is yes, yes, yes. The Crosswave Cordless Max is awesome. You gotta get one. Got to get one. I really like mine. Okay, until next time, catch it. No, not catch it.
If I can do it.
So until next time,
Stop laughing.
if I can do it, you can do it. So let's do it